Lolo, and Kevin, today is a day overflowing with loving emotions from your moms and dads. Lolo, you've been blessed with an amazing young man to share your journey of life with.
So Kevin and I have pretty much been teammates for as long as I can remember. Starting off in T-ball together at the age of 5, all the way up until sharing the sand yesterday in volleyball court where we defeated our longtime rivals Luke Maggio and Brian Glass to take what Kevin dubbed as the South Bay Championship Series.
Lauren, on July 5th, 2014, my life changed forever. You crashed a wedding. I used my 7 years of ballroom dancing experience, and the rest is history. The day you came into my life, I was introduced to the most beautiful, selfless, and compassionate person I'll ever meet.
So I remember literally the first moment that I met Lauren. I seriously think I remember it in slow motion because I got approached by one of the prettiest girls I had ever seen my whole life. This beautiful girl in a turquoise sundress with these dainty silver hoops with like a single pearl on them. And literally like all I could say is, I love your earrings.
We wrote it.
Lauren, I can't believe our day is finally here. I knew you would be the one, and I'm so excited to be here with you today. Please don't make me cry when I walk down the aisle. I love you forever, Lauren Scott. Kevin. I know.
It's really an honor to be able to put on a party like this. I mean, it's just so wonderful, and I just feel like, you know, it can't get any better than this. It can't get any better that your daughter married such a wonderful.
If I can ask y'all to please stand at this time and give a warm welcome to the bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Kevin Hawk.
Thank you to Lauren. I can't tell you how much I love you and how lucky I am to be with you. I'm gonna keep it short though. Cheers to Lauren Hawk for the first time. My wife, which feels crazy. I can't believe I can say my wife. But cheers, thanks everyone for coming tonight. Let's have some fun.
Kevin cruised around with this snowboard helmet. On the back of it was a yellow, bright sticker that says, "Who's your daddy?" On the front of it, there was a bright red one. It said, "Chick Magnet." Kevin, I know I don't say it enough, but I love you. You're a special guy who's found a special girl. I guess you might be a chick magnet.
I freaking love you, love you. Something about
wait to watch your love grow, your future family grow, and continue to be by both of your sides through it all. Cheers. So let's all raise a glass to the new Mr. and Mrs. Hawk.
To love and lifelong friendships, congratulations, you guys. I love you so much.
They say sometimes things gotta break for the sunlight to come in and illuminate.
I will never forget the day after we met and me telling my friends that I'm done. I had met the love of my life the night before at a wedding, and that was going to be that. I still can't believe how lucky I am that I actually pulled that off.
They say things that go up must come down, but you got me over the ground, love, taking me higher than I've ever been. And when you're talking to me,
It's always been evident from the start that Kevin and Lauren love each other so deeply and with so much passion. The way they look at each other is different, the way they interact, the way they love. It's really, really, truly something special.
when I'm down, you lift me up, just you and me, as the world spins on.
Lolo, you look amazing. So I've seen you in Cinderella dresses. I've seen you in Snow White dresses. I've seen you in prom dresses. I've seen you in graduation dresses. But nothing compares. You were amazing with you tonight. You're beautiful. You've always been beautiful and you never knew it. But you're beautiful. Inside now. Precious.
They say things that go up must come down, but you got me over the ground, love, taking me higher than I've ever been. And when you're talking to me, I feel like we're the only ones.
I finally got to see Kevin and Lauren interact with one another for the first time. And the first thing I remember is Kevin's arm was around her, and he was looking at her, and he was smiling, and he had this look. And this may seem like a very small feat, but as Kevin's sister, seeing him interact or not interact with girls before, I knew right then that this was something different, and their relationship was different.
Taking me higher than I've ever been. And when you're talking to me, I feel like we're the only ones. It's you and me as the world spins on.
By the power vested in me by the state of California and by our Almighty God and Father, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your beautiful bride.
I want to share a few verses from a song, our first song, because ever since I've heard this song, I've always thought of you. From the Ground Up by Denisha. We'll build this love from the ground up, for worse or for better. I will be all that you need. Beside you I stand through the good and the bad. We'll give all that we have. This life will go by in a blink of an eye, and I wouldn't want to spend it with anyone else by my side. Now until forever, it's just you and me. Just take my hand. Someday we'll wake up with thousands of pictures, 65 years, and just a little house. I won't trade for nothing the life that we built. I'll kiss you goodnight and say I love you still.
Lauren, I promise to grow with you, work hard every day to build our future together.
to pick you up when you are down, to love you unconditionally.
Promise to listen, respect, and love you with everything I have. I choose you, Lauren, and I couldn't be more blessed that you're choosing me. I love you.
Family and friends, it is my great honor to announce to you Mr. and Mrs. Kevin Joseph Hawk.